Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset. And here tap on Reset Phone. And now all we have to do is to tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. And here we have to verify ourselves. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. Be aware, because you cannot undo this action. And after tapping on Reset, we have to simply wait until this operation will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.